In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently send an email to a group using Yahoo Mail. Sending an email to a group of people can seem intimidating at first, but with Yahoo Mail's user-friendly interface, it's quite a straightforward process. Whether you're contacting a team, a group of friends, or an organization, Yahoo has features that streamline your communication efforts. Let's get started by opening your Yahoo Mail account. If you aren't already logged in, you'll need to do so by entering your email address and password. Once you're in, look towards the top left corner of the screen where you'll see a button labeled Compose. Clicking this will open a new window for you to draft your email. Next, let's focus on the To field. In this space, you'll start by typing the names of the people you wish to contact. If they're already saved in your contacts, Yahoo will provide suggestions as you type, making it easy to select the right individuals quickly. For multiple contacts, you can simply separate their addresses with commas to ensure the email is sent to everyone on your list. However, if you have previously created a contact group in Yahoo Mail, this task becomes even simpler. Instead of adding each contact individually, you can enter the name of the saved group. This greatly reduces the time spent and minimizes the chance of leaving someone out due to oversight. Once you've filled in the recipient's addresses, it's time to compose your message. Click into the main body of the email to start writing whatever it is you need to convey. Whether it's a detailed update, an invitation, or a simple greeting, Yahoo Mail's editor provides all the formatting tools you might need to enhance clarity. Don't forget to fill in the subject line just above your message. A clear and concise subject ensures your recipients know the email's purpose at a glance, increasing the likelihood of opening your message promptly. After you've reviewed your email and are happy with its content and presentation, direct your attention to the Send button. Clicking this will send your message simultaneously to all the intended recipients. This feature is particularly useful when dispatching announcements or coordinating with large teams. Remember, while the mechanics of sending group emails are simple, the impact of clear communication is powerful. Consider your audience and tailor your message accordingly to ensure it's effective and well received. With these steps, you're now well equipped to use Yahoo Mail for sending group emails confidently. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your email skills. Keep exploring Yahoo's functionalities to discover more time-saving features.